Hello friends, welcome to Route 360. Today I'm going to talk about armored leopard. What are the other names of armored leopard? Also known as Far East leopards, Manchurian leopards or Korean leopards. What do armored leopard look like? How long is an armored leopard tail? Armored leopards have long bushy tails of 32 to 35 inch. The long length comes in handy during cold winters as they can wrap them around themselves for warmth. They weigh 70 to 105 pounds. Where do armored leopards live? Armored leopards are found in the Russian Far East. The range is small and confined to forests of the temperate regions crossed by the Amur River, a natural boundary between China and Russia. They are the only leopard subspecies adapted to survive in both extreme snowy winter and hot summer climates. What do Amur leopard eat? Amur leopards are carnivores. They are opportunistic, so are not fossil eaters, but prey consists mainly of raw and cicada hares, wild pigs, and badgers. Although, when feeling brave, they have been known to eat young black bears. Food can be scarce, so if they have food left over, they may drag and hide the remains from the other predators that might fancy a nibble. How to find their life partner? Amur leopards reach sexual maturity at 2.5 to 3 years, with males slightly later than females. The breeding season usually begins in the second half of winter. Females arrange dens in stones, caves, and under overhanging rocks. When do armor leopards give birth to cubs? Female armor leopards start reproducing at 3 to 4 years of age. A litter of between 1 and 4 cubes is born around 12 weeks after mating. Cubes are born with their eyes closed and only begin to open them 7 or 8 days after the birth. Cubes stay with their mothers for up to 2 years before braving the wild alone. Are armored leopards sociable? Armored leopards are highly territorial and live alone. Only come together to mate. What are the emerging characteristics of armored leopard? Individual armored leopards can have territories of 19 to 116 square miles, which is size of 56,144 football fields. Armored leopards can climb trees and are so well camouflaged when in trees. They sometimes can only be seen by the twists of their tail. Armored leopards are highly protected. In Russian watches of armored leopards may be fined up to 1.1 rubles millions and be jailed for 2 years for killing an armored leopard. Storing, transporting, or selling their parts carries a fine up to 1 million rubles and 2 years in jails. If the crime is committed by an organized group of people, the fine can be high as 2 million rubles with a jail term of up to 5 to 7 years for killing an armored leopard. What predators do armored leopard have? Armored leopard are predators, but prey choice overlaps with that of the tiger. Reductions in small prey availability, particularly in winter, puts armored leopards at risk from tigers, who will prey on them to reduce competition for foods. How we protect? There is still hope that armored leopards can be saved from extinctions. For example, effective conservation measures in a Russian national park have resulted in the armored leopard population almost doubling from 30 in 2007 to 57 in 2015. What is the biggest threat to armored leopards? With less than 70 left in the wild, armored leopards are on the brink of extinction. The main threats are poachers for their fur hunting prey species and habitat loss due to farming development, growth of cities, and human-induced forest fires. Hello friends, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. You can see important videos in my channel. Have a nice day.